That's my shit right there. The Komatsu 960E is a mining truck with a gross weight of 576 tons. Its payload is right around 360 short tons. You can get one of these for $3.5 million if you have enough in the bank. This is the Caterpillar 798AC. This mining truck weighs 246 tons empty, and its payload is just about 372 tons. That translates to a dump with a capacity of 188 cubic meters. This mining truck is the Caterpillar 797. This outrageously big puppy can carry up to 400 US tons of dirt. And it's powered by an engine that develops up to 3,800 horsepower. Right here is the Komatsu 930E. This mining truck has a payload of 320 tons. And it operates thanks to a massive engine that generates up to 3,500 horsepower. This is Volvo's biggest articulated dump truck, the A60H. It weighs 55 tons, and its haul has a capacity of 33.6 cubic meters.